Right. So today we are going to see one tricky function in SQL Server. So I have a sample data in SQL Server in one of the table, that is a sample table. So in this table, all this data type for this column is varchar data type. So if you want to see the full information about this table, you just highlight this table and press alt F1 in your keyboard, so it will display the information. So this number column is a data type of varchar. So now my requirement is, see here, this is numeric, like ram is the varchar, is a character string, and 100 is I don't know what exactly this, the information whatever I have inserted is a varchar only. But I want to find out in this column which one is a numeric value and which one is a string value. Okay, so if it is a numeric, I want to multiply this with some value. If it's a character, I want to display some other value. So how can we achieve this requirement? So my requirement is, if it is a numeric, so what are the numeric values here? 100, 45, 300. So these three values are numeric values, right? Ram, Rajesh, these two are characters. So I want to identify what are the numeric values and what are the string values. If it is a numeric value, I want to do some operation. If it is a string value, I want to print some other value. Okay. So this requirement you can achieve by using a case when statement or IAF function. So in 2012 SQL Server, if function is coming, okay, so you can use that one also. So I want to use case when only. Okay, case. So first we will identify which record is a numeric and which record is a string value. So how can we identify to find out the numeric values? So we have one function, that is numeric function. Okay, is numeric. I want to find out in number column. Okay, so if it is a numeric value, it will display the value as 1. If it is not numeric, it will display the value is 0. So we can see here. See, Ramesh, it's not a numeric, so that is the reason it is displaying 0 value. 100 is a numeric value, it is displaying 1. 45, 300 is the numeric value, so it is displaying 1. So now we can write down the condition, case when is numeric of number equal to 1, 1 means, so that is a numeric. Then what I want to do? Then I want to multiply this number with 1000. Else I want to just display -1. Okay, so and as numeric calculation. So I am just giving the column name as numeric calculation. So what I did here, first I am finding which one is a numeric. So if it is a numeric, it will display 1. So for that record I want to multiply with 1000. If it is not numeric, means RAM Rajesh, I want to display just -1. Okay, so you just print it. Right, see here, if you observe, it is Ram. So this is numeric, right? Sorry, this is a string, right? So -1 is displaying. 100 is a number, so I want to multiply this with 1000. Okay, because if you are directly trying to multiply this number column with 1000, what will happen? We'll see, it will throw error, right? Number into 1000, what will happen? Throwing error. Conversion failed when converting the varchar value RAM to data type int. So because the string value in this column you are trying to multiply with 1000. So before you are going to multiply any value, you have to identify which one is the numeric value, which one is the string value. So when it is a numeric value, what you want to do? When it is a string value, what you want to do? So that is the requirement. So that requirement, if you want to find out, so you have to use the is numeric function. When the value is numeric, it will display 1. If it is a non-numeric, it will display 0 value. Okay, so the same requirement if you want to do by using the IAF function, so you can do like this way. instead of using case when IIF, right, is numeric equal to 1, comma. So the first, if it is satisfying the condition, it will do number into 1000 multiplication. If it's not, then it will display -1. Done. IIF, if it is numeric equal to 1, means if it is a numeric, I want to take this one. If it is not, I want to take this one. See here. So why it is conversion failed? This is the issue. Just delete that one. Done. Okay. So actually this IIF function is coming in the SQL Server 2012 only. So previously you can find out this function in reporting services. Okay. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching the video.